Hi everyone. Today we'll be talking about immune system and its functions. It's the body's defense against infection and other diseases. So what is immune system? Immune system is a vast and complex interconnected network of many different organs, cells, and proteins that work together to protect the body from illness. Some of the major organs involved in the immune systems are listed as below. 1. White blood cells. 2. Antibodies. 3. Complement system. 4. Lymphatic system. 5. Spleen. 6. Bone marrow. And 7. Thymus. Now that we've known the 7 main organs of immune system, we'll discuss them one by one briefly. So the first one is white blood cells, or also known as leukocyte. Leukocyte is the key players in our immune system. They are made in our bone marrow and are part of the lymphatic system. White blood cells move through blood and tissue throughout our body looking for foreign invaders. When they find them, they launch an immune attack. White blood cells include lymphocytes, are divided into two, which are B cells and T cells. These two cells have different functions, where B cells make antibodies that attack bacteria and toxins, while T cells help to destroy infected or cancerous cells. Second organ is antibody. An antibody is a Y-shaped protective protein molecule that the immune system produces to attack microbes created by them. Antibodies can tell that a particular microbe is an unwelcome invader due to the presence of foreign, disease-causing substances called antigen on the microbe surface or in the chemicals that it produces. B cells, just now that we mentioned in white blood cells, is responsible for the creation of antibodies, which recognize and latch onto antigen to remove them from the body. Thirdly is complement system. It effectively complements antibodies' antibacterial activity, while lymphatic system, as the picture shown, is a lymph nodes. It's a network of delicate tubes throughout the body, helps to keep bodily fluid in balance on top of defending against infection. It consists of lymph nodes, which actively filter harmful substances, their immune cells attacking and destroying the germs that lymph fluids bring in. Next is spleen. The spleen is a fist-sized organ in the upper far left part of the abdomen next to the stomach. Can refer to the picture below. So, a blood filtering organ that removes microbes and destroys all or damaged red blood cells. Next is bone marrow. It's the spongy tissue found inside your bones where it produces all three types of blood cells, red blood cells, platelets, and white blood cells to keep us healthy. Lastly, thymus. The thymus filters and monitors your blood content. It produces the white blood cells called T lymphocytes that are important in the destruction of infected cells. Now we look at how does the immune system work. So first, it recognizes unique molecules called antigen from bacteria and viruses. Next, it produces antibody, a type of protein, and special white blood cells called lymphocyte that mark the antigen for destruction. Lastly, once the body has come into contact with the disease-causing germ for the first time, it usually stores information about the germ and how to fight it. So now we should wonder, what are the common occupational health issues related to immune system? We've listed two here. First is occupational stress. So it refers to ongoing or progression of stress an employee experiences due to responsibility, environment, or pressure at workplace. It reduces the number of natural killer cells, the lymphocytes, in the body, which are needed to fight viruses. Lastly is the occupational asthma. So occupational asthma is because of specific antigens at workplace. Asthma and immune systems are connected because of how the body responds to the airborne toxin a person is exposed to. So if we have strong immune system, it helps to combat their asthma and triggers that they are exposed to. So in conclusion, the immune system is a complex network of cells and proteins that defends the body against infection. The immune system keeps a record of every germ it has ever encountered in case they have to fight the same germs again. And lastly, looking at the example of the occupational health diseases, we've listed two, which are occupational stress and occupational asthma, which will affect the immune system. Thank you.